In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Trello projects into Kanban zone. This process will help you seamlessly migrate your workflow from Trello to the Kanban zone, and I'll guide you through each step with ease. First, we'll start by heading over to Trello.com. Open your preferred web browser and just type in Trello.com in the address bar. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the website, and give it a click. You can log in using either your email or your Google account, whichever way you prefer. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the logging in process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. Look for your board section. You need to navigate to your workspaces section. Here, inside your workspaces, you can see all the boards linked to your account. Locate the specific board that you want to import into Kanban zone. When you find it, go ahead and click on it to open it. Now focus on the upper right corner of your board. You should see three little dots. This is a drop down menu. Click on those dots to reveal more options. Among the options, select print, export and share. This will show you additional features, one of which is export as JSON. This is an important step as we'll be using this JSON file to transfer your board. Click on export as JSON and the file will be downloaded to your computer. Next, it's time to move over to Kanban zone. Navigate to your Kanban zone page by typing in the URL or clicking on your saved bookmark. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left side where you'll see the Add Board button. Click on that to start the process of adding your new board. After clicking Add Board, you'll be presented with various options. Select Import from Trello. This feature is specifically designed to help you import your boards from Trello. Once you've selected to import from Trello, it will prompt you to open the JSON file you exported earlier. Locate that JSON file on your device. It's usually in the downloads folder unless you specified a different download location. Open it and the import process will begin. After a short moment, your Trello board will be completely imported into Kanban zone. You'll see that everything is now available and organized just as you had it in Trello, but within the Kanban zone interface, and that's all there is to it. Your Trello projects are now successfully imported to Kanban zone, ready for you to continue managing your tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Keep exploring and managing your projects with ease. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy organizing!